Good morning, good morning. Look at that beautiful view. Wow. This is the mansion right here. So Pine Grove is all the way over there. Look at those mountains right there. Walked all the way down here. This is nice. Like, this place is big. I feel like it could be something like more if they wanted to. But someone told me this is also a historic building, so I can see why. A guy just came in here and I haven't even met the owner yet. It's crazy. Look at this. Alright, look at this place. It's beautiful out today. The sun's already out. I think it's already 70s, mid 70s. It's be a hot one today. I could already tell. It's only like 10 o'clock too. Breakfast, sausage, biscuits, French fries. Let's go. Alright, walking back the trail. Great food there. Excellent breakfast, that's for sure. Oh man, I'm so glad I stayed at that hostel. Got there late, but it was definitely worth it. For the shower, and just, oh man, the bathroom for sure, man. My stomach was killing me yesterday. I think I'm like, I don't know, maybe dairy is not good for me. I don't even know, but I went to the bathroom like literally like more than 8 times. It was crazy, yo. Woo. What a day yesterday. Let's get it today though. We got some uphills coming up right now. About to get this workout in. And then I was looking at the elevation. Then it gets really flat, so I'm really looking forward to that. Just met another thru hiker. His name was OverDose. He started March 27th, so he's definitely clicking some miles right now. Yeah. But alright. Bowling Springs, I heard, has a restaurant, and that's in 10 miles, so that's gonna be my dinner. That's gonna be my next stop. Let's go. All right, back on trail. As soon as you cross that road, you're gonna make a ascent. Duration, still working on it. Incline is, it's definitely there, but it's not crazy steep. Yep. Ran into another 2 thru hikers. They were just sitting right there after the road. Just I think they're stopping to eat lunch. But yeah. Let's get it. It's a hot day today already. It's like 11 something. Yeah. For sure. Alright, so far it's only been one uphill, an initial climb. But yeah, it's just been fairly decent right now. We'll see what it has to offer us today. Let's go. Yeah, super hot right now. Wow, it's definitely hit 80s right now. It's only gonna get hotter. Let's go. And make sure I'm drinking water too. Alright, going down a steep kind of decline right now. Yeah, it's good so far. Let's see how far it goes down. I hear a road, so it might be a road crossing too. We'll see. Look at this, looking down. This is straight. Yeah, I see a road over there. It's like going left. Yep, road crossing. Woo, look at that view. Goes all the way up. Oh, let's cross. That says Deep Run Campground or something. Yeah, going this way. Ooh, it just kind of opened up. Look at that. Alright, we got a second road crossing literally right after that. I see a car right there. Yep. Going up an uphill right now. Elevation is there. Duration, it's a little bit for sure. Just ran to another thru hiker. Her name is Barefoot. She just recognized me right off the bat. Yeah, real cool. Shout out to her. Yeah. Alright, same hill. It just inclined a lot. It's definitely good. Yeah. It's definitely there. Let's get it. Alright. That was a good, decent hill. Some rock scrambling. Yeah. Look at this. Woo! Definitely on top of a mountain. Just surrounded by these trees. Woo! That was a good one. Can you guys see? It's a little bit clouded. Let's go. Whoa, look at these rocks. This looks like dragons too. They're huge, bro. Whoa, we're going up there too. Look at all these rocks. I had to just fit right through them right now. Yeah, we're going over there. Whoa, that's a big drop. Gotta put this down. Oof, now I gotta put this down. Alright, we're making our way downhill right now. See a road right over there. See a car too. See. Alright, going up there. Oh, I better get up out the road. Look, Mason-Dixon Trail? What in the world? Alright, it's super hot right now. Woo! Going uphill right now. There's some rocks to maneuver, but yeah, let's get it. Very hot. I'm making sure I'm drinking plenty of water. That's for sure. I know Virginia has dragons too, but check out these rocks though. PA has some crazy big ass rocks too. Whoa. Some of them reminding me of dragons too. It's just not overlooking like a big hill or something. Yeah. Whoa, this is a nice little campsite. Wow. Going over the stream. Looks like another uphill. Let's go. I'm good on water right now. Alright. This is another uphill. Coming to a blue sign. Let's see what it is. I think it says, oh, it's a spring. Oh, yeah. No, it says shelter. What in the world? Oh. Yeah. It's blue though. Well, the next shelter is 18.2 miles. Shelter, right? Going all the way up. Let's see it. Alright, we're making up another slight little uphill. Yeah. Duration, it slowly just gradually got more steeper. Yeah, we'll see. Let's get it. All right, we're working ourselves on the right. This is the drop right here. Woo, hot day today. This is the mountains right over here. Slowly making our way up on the right side. It's been a while since working our way to the right side. It's always on the left. Yeah, this is the first in a while. I can just tell. Let's get it. Slowly making our way to the top. Woo! Look at the bottom. I can see like the mountain outline over there. The trees are just there. Whoa! That's a rock. Walking backwards. Wow. This is a good one. Oh, look at that. Beyond there. I can see the mountain. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh, man. I don't know if you guys can see that background. I bet it looks crazy during the winter time. Woo. It's just a different look. Oh, what in the world? There's like this stone here. Holy crap. It's a plaque. Center point knob. Woo! Let's go. Haven't done these in a while. Go! Let's go, yo. Look at that. I see like a field over there. This is beautiful, man. Let me take a picture. Oh, right there, center point knob. It's literally right past the stone. We got a little box here. Coca-Cola? No, I'm just playing. Let's see. It's like a piece of paper. Pretty cool. Let's get it. Alright, we're still working our way down. Duration is pretty long for the downs right now. Yep. Just slow it down for the knees. The planet into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen. What to do that can never be done. There's far too much to take in here. None can ever be found. On rose and high, the sapphire sky, and small through the endless ride, the circle of life. Ooh, we're coming to like a big parking lot or something. It's like a field up here. I can see the fields. Holy cow. Wow. Is this Boiling Springs? I don't think so. Oh, it just opens up. Let's go. Back sight. Woo! Front sight. Whoa! It just opens up. Wow, let's go, man. Look at these fields. Holy cow. Oh! That was widespread. Look at that. Oh, we got a thru hiker up there. Oh! Let's go. He's over there. I guess we walk around. Look at this machinery thing. It's like moving those big circle things. What in the world? it just opened up. I love when it opens up like this. It's just way too, the camera can't put it to words, man. Look at that. I love these fields. This farm field, this is awesome. He's all the way deep in there. I think that is OverDose. Look at this. This is awesome. He's all the way down there. We're going all the way straight. Woo! Came from over there, in the woods over there. Wow, this is beautiful. Really hot though. I'm about to just take off my shirt, get a tan. Nah. Wow, I think he's collecting corn. I think this is corn or something. It's high. Holy cow, there's like a lot of them though. Whoa. Back view. Woo. Woo, I think we're going over there because I see him walking all the way over there. He is far for sure. Alright, I turned left. He turned to right over there. But look at that behind me. That's where we came from. Woo! Those mountains. Let's get it. Alright, we turn right. I see him. He has an umbrella up. Oh man. Sun umbrella. That's awesome. Dude, Vince, man. I should have just grabbed that umbrella, bro. Oh man. It's funny because B bought a umbrella at Trail Days and he was just like, he was just not wearing it, but he was using it throughout Trail Days, and I'm like, you look funny, man. Yeah, I wish I had one now. Oh man, look at that. He's all the way over there. I'm just following him. This is beautiful, man. Change the scenery for sure. Woo. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Tamacola Falls. Yo. Going straight into the woods. Made another left. You gotta walk through this bridge. I see a pool over there too. Boom, 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 boom. See it right there. Boom, boom, boom. This is the bridge. Down. Look at that pool over there. But it's empty though. I don't think we can go swimming, man. Oh, we got some people. Alright, we're going this way. The two hikers, they were just section hiking, but I just put the camera down, but she was just like, "Are you Andrew?" I was like, "Yeah." Dang, man, that's crazy. Whoa. Alright, now we're in the woods. As soon as you cross over that bridge, you're gonna make a right. Oh, this is a populated area. I see a porta potty here. Oh, we got a bridge. Oh, we make a left. What in the world? It literally just made us do like a U-turn. That's crazy, dude. Whoa. This is a very populated area right here. Ooh, look at that. It's like a... Whoa, it's like a lake. Holy cow. People are going fishing too. Whoa. This is awesome, dude. Look at this. Whoa, look, you can see the water. It's really that clear. The water is... Whoa. Pretty sweet. Can we get some blazes? There's no blazes on these trees. That's crazy. I hope I'm going the right way. Let me check gut hooks. See, thank God they have gut hooks, man. Yeah, we're going the right way. Look at that water. Can you guys see this? Here. Yeah. That's literally the water. It's like see-through. Very clear. People are going fishing. There's geese. This is a very nice town. Look at this place. Wow. Boiling Springs. Is this a place where people put their feet in? I don't know. I don't think you go swimming. I haven't seen anyone go swimming. Whoa, I see the ATC symbol. I think that this is their regional spot. We got a blaze right there. Dude, this place is awesome, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is awesome over here, dude. Whoa, it's like a very nice park and stuff with the river. Whoa. Damn, this is beautiful. I'm looking for a Coke. Look. Water right side. I think that's the ATC right here. Oh snap. Maine to Georgia. It should be open. Look, you got the bus right there. Holy cow. Oh, it's closed though. There's a sign there saying it's closed. Alright, so we're gonna make a right over there, but literally the ATC, and look, the outdoors is right here, literally. But I'm trying to get a soda. That's the first thing on my mind. Let's go. Look at this. Look at that armor gun right there. Look at that. That's the outdoors. I went in. I was just, the guy was just like, "Can I help you?" I was like, "Yeah, cold drink." He was just like, "Oh, we don't got any." So I'm gonna, there's a cafe right here, 101. I heard reviews about that place. There's a gas station to my right. This is fine food and beverages. And I'm gonna go to the cafe. Ooh, I think there's outdoor seating too. Sweet.
100 miles in 24 hours.
French fries.
And just run the whole time.
Yeah. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm here with another thru hiker. Alright, I'm just gonna introduce you to him. Why don't you state your name, sir?
How's it going? I'm OverDose.
OverDose. How'd you get your trail name, OverDose?
Oh man, it's not bad. I have to explain this to all sorts of people. A lot of people will think it's bad, like ew. Other people are like, oh sweet party, man. Really, I was just hiking the PCT, and my IT band started acting up on day one. So I was like, oh, this is terrible. So people are like, oh, try some Advil, try some Aleve, try some aspirin. And I'm trying everything. So I'm in Idlewild, a few miles up, and I'm sitting there like, I don't feel so good. And this lady sitting next to me was like, oh, your trail name should be OverDose. And I was like, no, fuck you. I'm not taking that stupid name. So then I got off trail for a week later, I got off trail for a week, and then when I came back, everyone was gone. I was like, wow, what am I gonna do for my trail name? So I took it, and I saw her again in Northern California, and she's like, OverDose. I'm like, yep, that's my name.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. And what year did you hike the PCT?
2008.
2008. What would you say is your best memorable like memory of the PCT? Because I bet there were so many.
Oh man.
But what's the highlight you would say?
These are tough questions, dude. I didn't sign up for this.
Yeah.
Highlight. I couldn't tell you this. When you first hear about the Sierras, it's cool. It's just like you heard about these giant mountain ranges. The first time seeing them was pretty cool. Mount Whitney was awesome. I like the Sierras a lot. I think one of my best nights on trail was we cowboy camped on the rim of Crater Lake, and we were there when the sun came up for the sunrise over Crater Lake. Dude. That was pretty cool. And then the Cascades. The Cascades are, I think, one of my favorite mountain ranges. After the Sierras are big, but the Cascades are sharp.
2008.
Yeah, and there weren't a lot of people. There was, I think, like 500 or 600 people that started, maybe a couple hundred that finished. So.
Do you remember when you started and when you finished?
I started around May, I think it was like maybe May 7th, and I finished on September 14th to 21st, sometime mid-September.
Damn, and was that that was your first through hike?
Through hike, yeah.
How did that feel like afterwards? Were you just hooked?
Good.
Or?
I was out of college, no job, went back. My girlfriend at the time, she was still willing to take me back, so it was a good experience.
All right, then let's fast forward. CDT. What year did you hike the CDT, dude?
I hiked the CDT in 2015.
2015.
I had a job dispatching trucks, and it got it was a lame job after a while. So I'm like, I'm quitting, going hiking. And my wife supported it. She had already let me do one through hike. So,
oh man!
Cool.
And what was the most memorable or highlight of that trip?
Jeez, I don't know. That one was cool. My favorite place, and I shouldn't even say this on camera, is the Wind River Range. It's the coolest mountain range in the whole country. I didn't even know it existed. You walk through 150 miles of desert, just this place called the Great Divide Basin in southern Wyoming, and all of a sudden you come up and you creep up into these ranges, and I like to describe it as Yosemite without the people.
Dude,
it was awesome.
That's sick.
That place was cool. I made a bunch of friends. You walk through deserts, you walk through fires, you walk through crazy mountain ranges. It's more of a mental hike, I think, than anything. So there was always something trying to kill you.
And when did you start and when did you summit?
That one, I think it was May 15th or 17th, somewhere mid-May. I start finishing again the same. You have to finish before they pull the bridges in Glacier, so I think I finished around like second or third week in September.
September.
Yeah.
Damn. What made you want to do the CDT after the PCT? Like, what was there
on
like?
The West Coast, and it seemed like it's like the next challenge. It's like the PCT was hard. Let's go a little bit harder.
Yeah, it seems like you're just making your way left all the way to the right. Now you're on the AT.
I know. I don't know why.
Man. And when did you start the AT this year?
I started March 27th.
March 27th, bro.
So I started with the plan to do it in 90 days.
90 days.
I've taken a couple zeros. I'm trying to use this stretch of 600 miles to see if I can catch up with 90 days and be done by July 1st. We'll see.
Yeah, for sure. And if you were to give any future thru hikers any advice, because you got so many miles under your belt, it doesn't have to be one specific one. You could just talk about it. But what kind of advice would you give?
Oh man, that's tough. That's what Facebook's for. Use that Facebook group. Those people have all the advice you'll ever need, and everyone will tell you why they're right.
Yeah.
I would just enjoy it. I think you're out here for a reason. Everybody's figured it out for a different reason. I'm out here to finish my Triple Crown. Other people are out here to experience. They've heard about it through hike, and this is what most people start on.
Yeah.
So I think you just want to get out here to do what you want to do. If you're not happy, figure out what makes you happy on the hike. A lot of people, you might not be happy because your pack weighs 50 pounds. You might not be happy because you're by yourself. Just try to make yourself happy and enjoy it. I think everybody gets something different out of it, and that's the key. If you're not getting what you want out of it, then either figure out how to get out what you want out of it or go for a bike ride. I don't know.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
And what's after this, bro? What's after you finish the AT?
I traded this hike for a third kid. So I told my wife we could have a third kid if she'd let me go on this hike. So now I have 18 years of child raising to do.
Dude.
Yeah.
Are you gonna take your kids hiking?
Yeah, I want to get them out. My oldest one's 5 years old, so we'll get her going. It'll be pretty cool.
Sweet. And I didn't even ask you, did you hike any other hikes besides just...
I've done the JMT.
JMT, wow.
A couple times.
Couple times. You got permits.
It was back in the day. Like,
Oh,
I don't know when the permits. I think last time I did it was 2013. Those ducks
We're
are
looking
having
at
sex.
some ducks over there.
They're literally having sex. It's a threesome. There's 3 of them in there.
That's crazy, dude.
Oh, a 4th one's coming in for the party.
Well, what else did you hike besides?
JMT, what else? I think that's it. I've done lots of the Florida Trail. I'll never hike the Florida Trail. Some people like that. I think it's a little bit flat. I don't think that stuff.
Yeah, for sure. Oh man. But I just personally want to say thank you for this interview. I know you're gonna finish this Triple Crown. You're honestly the first person I'm meeting that's gonna finish their Triple Crown, so that's sick, dude.
Well, that's cool.
Look at that. Look at that.
They're taking turns. Jeez.
Yeah, for sure. I just want to say thank you, OverDose. All right, peace. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot. If people wanted to follow you, you got Instagram or YouTube?
I have Instagram and YouTube. Just Pave the Trail.
Pave the Trail, one word. You guys heard that? Pave the Trail, one word. Follow this man as he's about to complete his Triple Crown. Shout out to you, bro.
Thanks,
all right,
man.
thanks, man. All right, look at this. Just say that Cafe 101. Delicious food. Just met OverDose. I didn't meet him. I met him on the trail today. And then I didn't even know he was a Triple Crowner as soon as he finished this is awesome. That was awesome, honestly. Ooh, beautiful hot day today. Let's see what time it is. It's 4:49, like 5 o'clock. I'm definitely not gonna make the 14 miles to the shelter. So I don't know. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I could stealth camp or I could stay at a hostel here. But I'm not even trying to do that, man. Dang. Yeah. I'm gonna just keep it pushing. I got 3 hours to think about it, so yeah. Should have did more logistics. I could stealth camp though. I saw a few spots along the way. Yeah. That food was delicious though. I would say that was like my dinner. But yeah, I know that was pretty early. But yeah, we'll see. I think he went to go grab a beer over there. How's it going? Hey. There's the outfitters right there. Nah, I don't need nothing. Did I need something? Was I looking for something? I don't think so. I gotta think again. Alright. Yeah. Looks like I'm gonna just walk. I'm gonna just walk until it's 8 and just camp wherever, honestly. I'm gonna just worry about the water later. I know I'm taking a risk, but whatever. I don't want to stay at another hostel. Yeah. Supposed to be flat ground, so yeah. This road walk is pretty good right now. Yeah, saw a good amount of hikers today at the cafe. Saw Wizard and Killer there. Saw Orange there. And 2 other through hikers. But yeah, and also I met another one. What was his name? Junker, yeah. He started pretty, he's definitely clicking some miles too. Yeah, for sure. Shout out to all of them. Yeah. It's a hot day today. The elevation profile from here on out is like really steady, so I'm gonna be loving this. Let's go. That food was delicious, man. I should have packed out another sub. Nah, it's fine. I got so much food in my pack right now. Holy cow. Oh yeah, I just got in contact with Iceman. Iceman is gonna reach out, probably see me tomorrow. We'll see, but I think so. That's a high probability. Let's go. We're going to the left over there. The blaze. Let's get it. Honestly, I love this section. As soon as we hit the Pine Grove, like all these stops for like food, like stop for the Green Mountain, general store for food, and then stopping here at Boiling Springs again at Cafe 101 for some food. It's awesome, man. All these little stops for food and just rest. Like, I must have just, yeah, me and him were just talking for like 2 hours. And then like Junker came over, then we started talking to him. There was like a group of thru hikers all the way over there, eating, talking. Then all the way to the left of us, eating, talking. Like, it was just good vibes all around. Wow, it was nice. I should have just like stayed there. No, that's nice though. I just want to get, it was cool though. Yeah, there was a hostel there, Lisa's hostel, but I don't know how packed they were or not. I think all the other hikers were staying there because the next shelter is 14 miles away, so I think they're all staying at Lisa's hostel. Yeah. All right, on my right side, there's like this huge field, like the field that we were just walking through before. Whoa, it's all just farm area. Wow. Left, I can't see, but it looks open too. Maybe that's why we can't, this 14-mile stretches, you can't do that because I think it's private property there. Yeah, we'll see. Like on my right side, there's like this big metal thing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like huge. I think it's like something for the grain or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's on the left. It's definitely noticeable though. Maybe that's where they store all their like grain or something. I don't know. Yeah. See, it just opens up. You see that metal thing? I don't know if you guys can see it or if it's big enough. Ooh, those mountains over there. Wow, this is just beautiful. One last, you know, I loved you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Look at all these plants that are growing. They're all in like a straight line too. Kind of looks like from that movie Signs. That's freaky. Whoa, they just go on forever. That's awesome. Oh, no anymore. Oh man, it's about to open up. I could just tell. Unless we're gonna work our way to the right. Look at the left. Woo! Yeah, we're just gonna work our way to the right. Yeah, the left. Look at this. Holy cow. All right, we're about to do another road crossing. Hey, yo, shout out to OD, yo, OverDose. He just sprung it out of nowhere. We were just like eating. Then, yo, what a humble guy. The conversation just led out of nowhere to like him being a triple crowner. Like, I was like shocked. I was like, dude, wow. That was like late too. This whole time. Very, very sneaky, yo. What a humble guy, yo. I love that. AT. I'm starting to realize just the real like humble people that just have crazy amounts of miles under their belt. Like, it shocked me. Yeah, dude. What a nice guy too, man, honestly. Yeah, real cool, man. Shout out to you, bro. Go check out his channel, guys. Show some love. He's about to be the triple crowner right here. Whoa. He told me like there's maybe only like 7 of them this year that are about to get it after completing the AT. That's awesome, man. I love that. Look at this. We got the steps. Woo! Look at this, guys. This is awesome. It's not even on top of a mountain. Just love this field. Woo! look at that sun. Yeah, it's a beautiful sight. What time is it? It's late though. It's not late, but you guys see that? 5:33. Let's go. Woo, look at this, guys. Sun. Alright, I was just walking and then I saw two section hikers and they recognized me. They first called me not so much. That's yeah, not so much. He's all the way past here now. I was like, not today. She's a supporter, she subscribed. So yeah, I took a picture. I'll leave it at the end. Let's go. That's cool, man. All mine, all mine. Look at that beautiful sun. Alright, that was the road crossing right there. Cool, man. Cool that I just saw them. That was pretty sweet, man. Another road. Oh man, I started hearing popping sounds and I'm like, oh snap, those are gunshots. And I forgot there's a shooting range here. Look, there's cars over there. Holy cow. Whoa. Water. This is the stream for water, but I'm good right now. I should camel up though. Oh, you guys hear that? That's the shooting range right there. It was like pretty big too, like the house and the building and stuff. That's pretty cool. Wonder if they sell Coca-Colas there. They probably have like a refrigerator of them. Oh man, they should make like a side trail today. That'd be crazy. A bunch of hikers walking to the gun range. Whoa. Woo. Field walk now. Let's see it. I think this is the station here. They're shooting to the left or something. Wow. Look at this field. Whoa. Wow. There's a main road over there. Wow. I would hate to live here. This is the houses right here. Just hear gunshots all night. Hell no. Not me. Not moi. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful to the left. Wow. Came from over there. Whoa. Look at that, the sun's right there, so we got a lot of time for it to come all the way down. Oh, look at that big building right there. The way you make me feel, it really turns me on. You knock me off my feet, my lonely days are gone. Really cool. Whoa. Let's turn around. Wow. Coming out to another field. Oh, geez. This is just beautiful. Look at the mountains in the background. It's like a picturesque picture. Today's just great. Yeah. Today was great. Look at this. This is cool right here. I feel like I've seen this before too. Whoa. Road walk. Ooh. Nights like this, wanna take right there. Hey guys, look, a turtle. Turtle. Look guys, there's a cemetery here. Whoa. It's like a side trail. Another road crossing. We'll be careful of the cars, guys. Oh shit. That was close. That car just came out of nowhere, yo. What in the world? Little road crossing. It's like a dirt road. We got another road right here. I think it said we make our left. Holy cow. Yeah. I see Junker, but I don't see dang, OD is out, overdose. I need to walk on this side. Someone always told me to walk on the oncoming traffic so that if a car gets too close, you could just jump out the way. Is this the road where there's, look at this. Look at this road walk. Look at that. I think we just crossed that, honestly. I don't know, it looks familiar. Whoa. This is awesome. Attention burglars, please carry ID so we can notify next of kin. That's awesome. Look at that, that's beautiful. Oh crap. Whew. Look at this, guys. Wow. Dang, they are far. This is just a straightaway. OD is all the way up there, man. He's got his trail legs for sure. Oh man. Look at this wooden thing. It's like a, I don't know what that is. Like you can see right through it. I don't even know what that is. Whoa. Alright. Railroad crossing. I'm probably gonna stay at the Super 8 in Carlisle with OD, overdose. So we'll see. He's crazy up ahead. Alright, so me and overdose are probably gonna split a room at the Super 8. It's in walking distance from the Route 11 or something. And there's another dude, Junker. We're just gonna ask him if he wants to pitch in. He can sleep on the floor, whatever. But yeah, because we don't know where we're gonna camp because we're not supposed to, you know. I don't know. There's no water source too, like iffy water sources. Yeah, we just better play it safe. Oh man, look at this. Woo, there's no power line. Then we get into the dark. Can see where we came from. We got carried away. All the love that I was blind to. And I made my mistakes. And I laid them all beside you. I could start hearing like a freeway. It's getting really loud. I should be really close to the freeway. That's for sure. I hear a bunch of cars. Alright, walking to the Super 8. Got 2 other Durikers with me. Got OverDose here and Junker, correct? Junko. Alright, cool. It cost $60 to stay here, but we all just split it 3 ways. The hiker box was just crazy. My stove broke, and guess what was in there? This MSR stuff. So I'm gonna just use this. There was a tent in there too. Junko snagged it up. He's about to hustle it, so that's cool, man. Alright, I'm about to take a shower. Peace.